Hello, my name is Dr. Brian Caputo, President of College of DuPage. With the new year underway, the Student Services Center Renovation project continues to make progress. This initiative supports student success and strengthens faculty, staff, and student engagement. Renovations will involve creating a unified one-stop for student services and reorganizing departmental offices to include admissions, registration, and financial aid. We will update the atrium area to enhance acoustics and technology for activities and events. Additionally, we will create a new multicultural center. Finally, we will redesign the Student Life Lounge, club and organization meeting rooms, and multi-purpose room. These improvements will help current and prospective students feel more connected, gain a sense of belonging, and better navigate the enrollment and registration processes. Stay tuned for more updates.